Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm a good. What's your name?
My name is Mehak Devkar.
How may I address you?
You may address me by my first name, Mehak.
Very fine. Where from do you belong?
I'm from Patna City district, Patiala, and it is located in the northern part of the India.
Very fine. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, sure, here it is.
Thank you. Okay. So, do you work or study?
Well, I'm a student and I recently have completed my senior secondary education from the CBSE Delhi.
Very fine. So, let's talk about task 1. It's called the introductory pattern. So, let's talk about the hometown. What's the name of your hometown?
The name of my hometown is Padla, and it is located in the it is located in the northern part of the India.
Very fine. Is it a big or small place?
According to me, it is a big city and it covers this large amount of area.
Very fine. Can you please describe a little about your hometown?
Well, in my hometown, there are a number of facilities are available, such as good condition of hospitals as well as transportation system.
How long have you been living there?
Well, I used to live in the Karnal city, which is located in the Haryana, but a few years ago, I shifted to the Patna city.
Okay. Are there any tourist attractions in your hometown?
Definitely, it consists NH7 which crossed from my city, and beside the highway there are a number of shopping malls as well as drive-through restaurants which attracts the tourist to visit there.
Very fine. So this is the end of section 1. So we are going to talk about the task 2. It's called the cue card. So please stop it and continue your topic.
Well, there are a number of people who have different kind of nature. Some are of introvert and other are of extrovert. But here I would like to talk about my father. He is an extrovert person, and I'm totally opposite to my father because I'm of timid nature. I'm very possessive. My father is well educated person and he is a professor in the Punjabi University, and he also helps me in every ins and out of my life. Since my childhood, he treated me as like a friend, and due to which I can share my ins and out with him without any hesitation. Due to which I also feel that my father is like a god. My father also helps the needed person with the help of money as well as with the help of food. Due to which I feel over the moon that my father helps the poor people and the slum people. My father also organized different kind of seminars in the schools as well as in the university, which encourage the students who are in the dilemma and who are stressed due to the struggle of the life. His speech consists of different kind of a strongest word which can easily change the mentality of a person in a convenient way. Along with this, my mother also support my father, and when I'm alone in my room, I think that they both are made up of each other. Along with this, my father told me about the story of a girl who was doing struggle in her life, and after listening his story, I feel that I should motivate myself to be timid, to not to be a timid nature, to be an extrovert person, and I have to share my feelings with others. I have to change my nature because in this contemporary era, most of the people are mean to each other.
So that's fine. We are going to talk about the task 3. It's called the follow-up questions. Fine. Is it difficult for Indian people to express their feelings?
Well, in my perspective, it depends on the behavior of the person, that how he looks at the questions and how he look at the difficulties. According to me, the most of the people do not feel shy in the front of others because they are mean to each other. They don't care about the others. They just want to do their work.
Very fine. Who do you think talk more, children or grown-ups? What do you think about this?
Well, it depends on the mentality of a person, and as well as it depends on the maturity of a person. According to me, the most of the children talk more as compared to the grown-ups.
Very fine. What do you think is the difference between boys and girls to express their feelings?
Well, in this contemporary era, there is no difference between the feelings of the boys and the girls. But according to me, the boys feel shy to express their feelings because they think that it downs their image. But most of the girls share their feelings easily because they are emotional.
Very fine. Do you think people are more open rather than in the past?
According to me, in this contemporary, because of the advancement of technology, most of the people are dependent on the technology and they are busy in their work, due to which they do not want to express their feelings with the others.
Okay. Nowadays, you know very well about that. The people are less open. What are the reasons behind this?
Well, in my view, most of the people do not want to share their feelings with the others because of their timid nature, as well as they feel hesitate in front of others.
Thank you very much. This is the end of the test.